Marissa back with Sunrise Tax Solutions, your go-to source for tax planning and resolution insights. Today we're delving into a critical topic, navigating IRS audits and notices. Let's jump right in. The Internal Revenue Service conducts audits to review and verify the accuracy of financial information and tax payments. An IRS audit doesn't necessarily indicate a problem. It can result from random selection, computer screening, or related examinations involving transactions with other audited taxpayers. Audits are managed through mail or in-person interviews, with initial contact always made via mail. Types of IRS audits are correspondence audits, and that's the type that's the most common, where the IRS requests additional documentation to verify parts of your tax return, such as employee expenses or alimony. There's also an office audit. In more complex cases, the IRS might invite you to an in-person review at an IRS office. This usually involves more substantial issues than those in a correspondence audit. Then you have a field audit. This involves a face-to-face meeting, potentially at your place of business, particularly if your business has inventory that needs to be examined. There are some key elements of IRS audits that are worth mentioning. Documentation is required. The IRS will specify which documents are needed, accepting some electronic records produced by tax software. And then there's audit timeframes. The IRS generally audits tax returns filed within the last 3 years, but can extend to 6 years if substantial errors are found. Most audits focus on returns filed in the last 2 years. You also have statute of limitations. This defines the period during which the IRS can assess or collect additional tax or issue refunds. It's typically 3 years from when a tax return is due or filed. And then the duration of audits. That's the length of an audit. It varies based on its complexity, the availability of requested information, and whether findings are contested. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll explore IRS notices and responses. If you found this information helpful and want to discuss how we can specifically help you, call us at the number on your screen, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Remember, understanding these changes is the key to securing your financial future. Stay tuned for more of that in the next video that we'll post next week. Take care.